This video is for everyone who bought Beyond Meat or is about to buy Beyond Meat around this dip that we have before the end of this year. So in this video, we have to discuss, is it wise to buy right now or we should wait a little bit for a confirmation for a reversal? But before we go further, guys, we discussed Beyond Meat and possibility for dilution because we got some news that make the price drop significantly last Friday. We have to discuss, of course, the disclaimer. Remember, our content here for education purposes only. So let us discuss Beyond Meat and what's going on, because we got some news regarding potential dilution for the next year. That's why the price pull back from this technical level. Because as you see here, guys, just from the technical dilution aside, we have two levels of squeeze. The best one was in the end of November when we squeezed almost 30% around the 157. And the second one, once we just have a little breakout from this channel around the 109 and we got shorted below the 133 because we got the news of dilution, which affect the price to go up lately and continue to go down now below the $1 around the 90 cents. So let's dive deeper and discuss what's gonna happen for Beyond Meat, or should we actually buy right now or we should wait? Because many of you considering buying Beyond Meat, and I got many comments from you. One of you said already bought products from Beyond Meat and is not that bad. And one of you asked about the price is good. There's a potential of 1000% reversal. Like if you want to compare it with NVIDIA back in early 2000, or Palantir before, or other stocks that actually have a gain of over 1000%. So even if you put 1000%, this is would be a huge amount of money in a small time frame, let's say 5 years or less than that, because some stocks did 1000% in 1 year. So right now we have to discuss the risk and the reward. We already discussed the reward, which is at least 1000 percentage gain, or the downside, because right now the downside is getting a little by little near a bottom. What I mean, just from the technical side, we have two levels that we expect a bit of reversal for Beyond Meat before the earnings again next year, which is first around the 82 and the 66. So those level, we might have a drastic change again. Even with the news of dilution, I expect a bit of reversal, at least around the 82, not just for Beyond Meat, but for the whole market before the end of this year, because we got a bit of discounted price for many stocks. So now we have 8% or almost 9% drop. This is the big so far for this week. And we might have another drop of 8% before a major critical reversal around the 80 cents. So if we have a reversal around the 80 cents, it means there's a chance for a reversal. If we held, of course, the 80 cents before the end of this year or the next week, because the market will be closed, I think, on Thursday, or the next week will be the last week for Beyond Meat to give us some chance for a fighting back for the shorts, we might have a reversal here around the 80. And we see a lot of shorts still adding their position, a huge position open every time on Beyond Meat. So we can see the short position opened. It's just from the short here on this level around the 150. They added the position a lot around the 133, and the last time they have a bit of confidence because of the dilution fundamental side of Beyond Meat. And if you don't know what's mean dilution is mean Beyond Meat or any stock that considering dilution, which is issuing more shares of Beyond Meat, which technically it's called dilution and bad for the company. But if you think about it, they could use this kind of money to invest back in the company. So it's not completely bad if you think about it, if we have a good objective and of course a growth mindset for the CEO and the company to use this money on the right direction to make the stock better in the and the return on investment would be bigger in the next few years. So it's not completely bad, but in the short term is actually bad that what we saw, the price drop almost 9%. So first of all, as we said, if we held the 80 cents by the next week, we might have a reversal. The confirmation for reversal is around the 133. So here come the main question that everybody asks me. Should we buy now or should we wait? The simple answer is no, because we don't have a confirmation for a reversal. What I mean by that, I mean the confirmation for reversal and confirming that we have a big whale buying is the 133. The other answer is it's better to buy now. Why? Because we are near the support. However, buying around the support, guys, as a trader, I did that a lot. When we buy around the support, usually I do that in blue chip company that is not that dangerous to go bankrupt. I will buy the dip. I will average down. But usually in penny stock like Beyond Meat, usually I rather to have more confirmation to buy for any stock, because if I buy now, the price might continue to drop down, because usually in the trading you don't have the options to see the position when the whale buy. It's kind of illegal, and that's why whale have dark pool to buy to hide their activities in the market. Some of you say dark pool is kind of unjust for traders, but this is how it goes. This is how the game actually played. So either you complain or you play the game and try to make money. So here we have the 80 cent. We're going to confirm one thing. Usually we could actually see a big buyer if we have a huge wick once we test the 80. So if we have big buyer, we should have a reversal of 20% at least, or at least 40%. This will confirm a big buyer. 40% or 30% reversal over the $1.07. If we don't have this reaction, it means I will be on the sideline for a better entry around the 66 instead. And this should be happening next week, or better yet, by the next Monday or tomorrow. This will be a better reaction. A huge volatility we should have if we test the 80, go reverse. The confirmation for reversal and squeeze is breaking the 133. Well, let me know, guys, in comment section below if you think that we're gonna have either drop below the 80 or squeeze over the 133 before the end of this year. Thank you for watching, and of course, don't forget, we're gonna discuss Beyond Meat before the market open. Usually we do that on Discord every day, guys. If you want to have early access for the price action, if we have a breakout entry, questions, I will reply faster on Discord, the link comes section below. And of course, before the market open by 30 minutes, we go live on YouTube. So make sure to come early, because we always prepare before the market open every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.